Hello friends, how are you all? Today I have brought some more problems on percentage. These are the problems which are likely to come in exam and most often they come. Now see, if 26% of a number is 65, find the number. So we will solve it. 26 is equal to 26. We know that percent is equal to 1 on 100. Of means multiply a number. We do not know what is the number. So we will take the number, assume the number as x. Is means is equal to 65. We will put it below as 65. Now the whole statement is found. So 26 we can also write it as 26 upon 100 multiplied by x is equal to 65. Okay. We know that we cannot solve it with x. We have to take whole the statement into the opposite side. As we take the statement to the opposite side, we have to change the positions. So x is equal to 65 multiply. We have to change the position, so 100 below will come up and 26 below will above will come below. We will solve it. See, 0 here, 6 here. It means that always take first the table of 2. We know 0 and 6 come in the table of 2. So this will be 50, 26. That is 1 and 3. Now cutting cannot be possible. So we know that 13 ones and 13 fives is equal to 65. So 5 multiplied by 50 is equal to 5 fives are 25, 250. So 250 is the answer. Okay. Now guys, the next sum is, in class the girls are 60% of total students and boys are 18 in number. How many students are there? So girls are 60. 60% of the total students. Total students we have to find how many students. So we will take the total students as x. Okay. Boys are given 18. If we know that टोटल परसेंट कितना होता है 100% का होता है ठीक है आउट ऑफ दैट परसेंट सी गर्ल्स आर 60 so how many will be boys it will be 40% how that comes 100 minus 60 is equal to 40 okay क्लास में 60% गर्ल्स थी हमें ये नहीं पता था कि कितने परसेंट बॉयज हैं वैसे बॉयज का नंबर दिया था 80 वी विल फाइंड दैट हाउ मेनी परसेंटेज ऑफ बॉयज आर देयर सो बॉयज आर 40% नाउ वी हैव टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉयज ओके एंड सो स्टेटमेंट विल बी 40% ऑफ टोटल स्टूडेंट्स इज इक्वल टू क्या लिखेंगे इज इक्वल टू के ऊपर बॉयज कितने दिए हुए थे हमें कितने बॉयज दिए हुए हैं क्लास में 18 आर द बॉयज ओके सो वी नो दैट 40% 1 upon 100 of multiply we have taken the total students as x is equal to 18 so that is 40 upon 100 multiplied by x is equal to 18 okay x we will take it in opposite sides again the position will change we will do the cutting 0 with 0 okay and 4 with this Again we can change the table if they come in the table of 2, if directly we can do that. Okay, now the answer will be okay 4 5 2 1 and 9. So 9 5s are 45. So x is equal to 45. What is the x? Total students. Total students is equal to 45. 45 is the total students. Okay. Boys is how many? 18. So we can minus 45 minus 18 and the answer will be of girls. Now next sum, that is A's income is 60% more than B's income. Find the income. इतना छोटा सम है बट बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, पर बहुत इजीली हम इसे क्रैक आउट कर सकते हैं. सी एज इनकम इज 60%. ए की इनकम 60% है मोर देन ऑफ बीज इनकम. हमें तो पता ही नहीं बी की इनकम क्या है. सो लेट्स बीज इनकम इज इक्वल टू 100. ओके, सो एज इनकम कितनी हो गई? ए इनकम इज 60% मोर देन बी. मतलब अगर बी की इनकम 100 है, ए की 60 मोर देन है, सो प्लस 60, सो दैट विल बी 160. ए की इनकम कितनी हो गई? 160. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द इनकम. if A's income is 100, so B's will 160. No, if B's income is 160, A's income is 100. Now that is if A's income is 100, अगर ए की इनकम 160 है तो बी की इनकम 100 हो जाएगी. अगर हम ए की इनकम में 100 लिखेंगे तो बी की इनकम क्या होगी? बी की इनकम क्या होगी? 100 अपॉन 160. That is unitary method. 100 upon 160 multiply by 100. We will do the cuttings, okay, and the answer will be 62. So the answer will be 62.50. So we will put the rupees. Okay, this is the sum only. Thank you guys. We will meet the next day.